Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Guys, again these questions are really, trigonometric questions are really very easy. So let's see how we are going to solve this type of questions. Now what is being given? It is being given that tan 2a is equal to cot tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. This is what being given, and we are being asked to find the value of a. And the other thing that is being said that 2a is an acute angle. So guys, we very well know that an acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. That means 2a is less than 90 degree. This is what is being given. So just keeping these things in our mind, let us move ahead and solve the above equation. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, and let us solve and find out the value of a. Guys, we very well know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. We are quite acquainted with this type of identities or formulas by this time. Even if we do not know, let us try to remember these things. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. This is one of the formulas or identities, whatever it may be. So I'm going to use this concept now. So instead of theta, I'm going to take the value of theta as 2a, because here in the above question we have a value of 2a. So keeping this 2a in mind, I'm going to replace this equation as 2a, and let's see what I'm going to get. Or I can say tan theta or tan 2a, instead of theta I'm taking 2a, is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Let this be equation number 1. Now guys, I'm going to replace the value of tan 2a from the question with the value of equation number 1. So the given question I can write, the given question is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, or I can write, or cot 90 degree minus what I can write, cot 90 degree minus 2a. Sorry guys, here we consider tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. If I am considering theta is 2a, so it should be tan 2a is equal to cot 90 degree minus 2a, not minus theta. It should be minus 2a. So I can write, now the given question is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Now replacing the value of tan 2a from equation 1, I can write cot 90 degree minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Guys, this is very easy and you people can do it very quickly. Just I am taking time to explain you. Or in the next step, I can write 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Okay. Now how? Because this cot and this cot cancels out. So I am left with 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now let's see. Let us solve this equation now. We are left with a 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now let us solve this equation, or I can write 90 degree plus 18 degree, just moving 18 degree from the right hand side to the left hand side, is equal to a plus 2a. Just moving minus 2a from left side to the right side, it became positive. Or I can write 90 plus 18 is nothing but 108 or 108. 108 degree is equal to 3a. Or I can write a is equal to 108 degree upon 3. Or I can write a is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. A is equal to 36 degree. This is what guys, I got the value of a is 36 degree. And you could see that as per the question, it is being said that the value of a is an acute angle. That means this is less than 90 degree, and you could see that we got the value of a is 36. So this is what it also satisfies the given condition. and this is what our answer is. The value of A is 36 degree, because in our question it asks us to find out the value of A, and we got the value of A is 36 degree. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward, but we need to follow these steps so that we can quickly do our calculation. Guys, I believe you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.